to hang these long mirrors in my son's room, but I didn't want to put holes in the walls or deal with nails or screws, so I decided to try this heavy-duty double-sided tape, and it worked out perfectly. It's easy to cut to the size you need, sticks securely to smooth surfaces, and made hanging the mirrors quick and hassle-free. I've also been using it for outdoor seasonal decorations like 4th of July banners and welcome signs. It holds everything securely in a place without the need for nails or hooks, and when the season is over, it removes cleanly without leaving behind a sticky residue. It's such a simple and practical solution for decorating both inside and outside the home. I also have another dilemma. I have this corner that always seems to be coming up like that. So I'm gonna use this double-sided tape to tape it down to the floor so nobody trips on it and that it just stays flat. Even though I have this grip rug under, it keeps it from sliding, yes, but this corner still tends to go up. So we're gonna seal it. Let's use that. And there you have it. Problem solved.